All right, what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and I'm gonna give it a little offset thing, a rest, and I'm about to get my grill on. Right, so this is what I got here. I got some thighs that I went ahead and took the bone out and the skin. You know how I do it. You know I'm gonna be frying up them skins, and I only got the thighs marinated in this Vietnamese meat marinade from Cholimex. Stuff is good. I didn't use it on quite a few videos, and this is actually a different flavor. The first time I use it is on that Vietnamese pork belly, so be sure to check that video out in my pork playlist. And I got some wings here that I seasoned. The only thing I'm gonna tell you was seasoned with these is that I incorporated this smoked salt. That it was a gift from a coworker, Val, and this stuff is good. So I put together a little rub with that. I'm gonna leave the other ingredients a little secret until I do a couple more runs with it. And it actually came out pretty good, and altered it to make it sweet and spicy as well. So let's load these up. All right, so I got that Char Griller Legacy loaded up with Kingsford Original. We're gonna load up these wings. We grilling these bad boys. Yeah, grilling these bad boys just like that. We're just gonna load them up, let them do their thing. And I got a little sauce. It's actually gonna be some nice little interesting sauce I'm gonna put on these. Let's get to these thighs. Now see, I'm gonna have to spread my coals out a little bit more in order to get to these thighs to get each piece covered, but that's fine. You know, I got my top rack here for my cool zone in case things get out of control. And we're gonna do it just like this. I'll put that piece right here. Get the babysitting these wings. Flipping these bad boys over. We're already getting some good color. All right, so I went ahead and got them thighs flipped. Them bad boys is looking nice and juicy. These wings is coming along fine. Getting some good color. Good render of the fat underneath there. You know, they're looking good. And we just out here babysitting. You know, I'm gonna toss these bad boys in some sauce. And I'll let you know what that sauce is when I'm ready to toss them. This is the sauce I'm gonna be saucing them with. Frank's Red Hot Stingin Honey Teriyaki. I had this in the cabinet and I've been waiting to use it. Smells good. You know what? It's almost like the Stingin garlic one, but this is just teriyaki. It doesn't have that strong garlic taste. It's getting kind of late in the evening and cooling off, and the dang flies want to come out and mess with your boy. I've been flyless the whole time I've been out here cooking, and then all of a sudden, as soon as I crack open the sauce, them bad boys is coming. So we just gonna be liberally painting these bad boys. You know how I like to do it. I like to paint one side, let it set, flip, paint another side, and do that 2 to 3 times depending on the sauce. Nice quick cook. Nice quick cook. So I'm gonna get right into this. Grilled wings. I didn't smoke them. I didn't load up the firebox and run them for like 2-3 hours, or you know. I just want to grill these bad boys up real quick. I want to show that you can grill up some wings real quick. Nice charred up smoky wings with some Kingsford Original and some couple pecan chips, and come out with something proper like that. So this is the chicken wing, and base it with that right there. Frank's Red Hot Wings Stingin Honey Teriyaki. All right, and then the rub I put together, I showed it earlier, a little bag of smoked salt that I got from my coworker. And let's see what we're working with. Look, in that rub, I put a tablespoon of salt, of the smoked salt. It's 1 tablespoon. That's strong. That's a coarse salt, and you definitely can get it. But for me, it's not overpowering. I think it blends in well with the sweetness of the sauce right there. Moon is out. So next is the thigh that I deboned and de-skinned myself. Just marinated in that right there. This is Choli Mex Foods meat marinade. Yeah, V Tiet. I guess that's how you say that in Vietnamese. But they got different flavors of this, and they're all good. And sometimes that's all you need. And I'm here to prove that because that's all I use on this thigh right here. Good color. This is good. Thigh is amazing. It stayed juicy. This marinade, I got the fish sauce in there. It has anchovy, water, salt, shallot, garlic, soy sauce. And okay, so the fish sauce is anchovy, water, and salt. And let me tell you something. You smell it in here, but you don't taste it. It definitely makes your food real savory. And be sure to check out that Vietnamese pork belly style that I did, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, it's been a quick cook, nice good cook. Don't forget to, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment, let me know how your boy's doing. Check out my fellas on Black Smoke Barbecue, on Spotify, on YouTube, Instagram, and all that. Check out them dudes because highly talented, eclectic individuals, and it's pretty cool to know such a good group of cats right there that I can ask any question I need about barbecue. Like I said, I got the cheat code. All right, it's your boy Keenan, in the smoke with Keenan. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Not All Smoke 78, TikTok, Not All Smoke, and y'all be cool out there, be safe, be smart. One.